In this lesson, we'll learn how to create and modify architectural roofs in Revit, using both by footprint and by extrusion methods. Start by opening the top-level plan or the roof level. Go to Architecture tab, Roof by Footprint. In the Draw panel, you can use line, rectangle, or arc for manual sketching, or pick walls to align the roof edge to existing walls. In this exercise, we will use Pick Walls. Select Pick Walls, then click around the exterior walls to form the roof boundary. The roof automatically follows the building contour. Check the Define Slope option in the options bar. This determines which edges will have a slope. For a gable roof, keep the slope defined only on two opposite sides. When finished, click the green checkmark OK to complete the sketch. Adjusting roof slopes and height. Select the roof. In the Properties palette, adjust slope angle, e.g. 30 degrees for traditional design. Level offset to control height above the walls. Go to the Architecture tab, then select Roof by Extrusion. Specify a new work plane, named Grid A, then click OK. Revit will ask you to choose an elevation that is parallel to the screen view. Select Elevation 1A, which is already created, then click Open View. Keep the roof reference offset from level 2 set to 0. Then click OK. Now go to Edit Mode, choose the Arc tool, and draw the roof profile by defining the start and end points. When you're done, click OK, and your roof is now created. When you finish selecting the walls, click Attach Top to Base, then select the slab. The walls will automatically adjust their heights and attach to the slab surface. Customizing roof types. In architectural practice, material and layer control is essential for BIM detailing and cost estimation. Select the roof, click Edit Type, then Duplicate to create a new type. Name it 200 mm Insulated Concrete Roof. Then click Edit Structure and define the following layers. Finish, roof tiles, 20 mm. – Insulation, thermal layer, 50 mm. Structure, reinforced concrete, 130 mm.